In this video we will look at the top 5 best kick scooters 2021 available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Swagtron K8 Titan Folding Commuter Kick Scooter. The Swagtron K8 Folding Kick Scooter with Kickstand is an adult scooter that is designed to be super sleek and stylish. In fact, Swagtron is the official brand that's represented by the Chicago Cubs. It comes with a bell attached to the handlebars so you can quickly alert traffic ahead of you that you're coming. The Swagtron K8 Titan is your perfect commuting companion on a budget. The overall weight capacity of this scooter is 250 pounds, which is impressive considering that it's only 9.75 pounds to carry. You can fold it up to carry into the store, office, or a friend's house. The height of the handlebars can be adjusted with a few snaps. This feature makes it work for people of all ages. Swagtron makes every component from high-quality materials, and Swagtron is so sure of their product that they offer a 12-month warranty on every scooter. Additionally, you can always count on this frame when it comes to durability. The support team is also very reliable. Number 4. Hedorah Kick Scooter. So far, this scooter is at the top. It will get you exactly where you are going. It also has so many great things to offer, too. You will not have to worry about much when it comes to this scooter. We find it to be one of the best kick scooters for adults. It is sure to bring you comfort and stability. It is a Germany-based brand that enjoys a reputation of manufacturing high-quality scooters that are durable. With more than 14 years of experience in manufacturing scooters, the company has managed to make a good name for itself in this space. In addition to that, it also has an adjustable handlebar that can be lifted to an amazing 41 inches, making it a great choice for very tall people. Both deck and frame are aluminum made, which gives strength without making it heavy. It can withstand a max load of 220 pounds, even though it's lightweight itself. Due to having such a lighter weight, it means that more people can use the scooter. Children looking to travel around the yard can use the scooter and rely on both the brakes to ensure they have adequate stopping power. The great news is that there are not a lot of downsides to this scooter. Number 3. Mongoose Rise Youth and Adult Freestyle Kick Scooter. Looking for a scooter to do stunts with? Need something robust that will withstand the load and kicks to the ground? Or just looking for something super reliable to have hours of fun with? Well, look no further, because Mongoose Rise Freestyle Kick Scooter offers all of that and more. This scooter is designed to keep you riding for longer with a max grip deck and brakes so that you don't slip off, regardless of the situation. The alloy metals used to build this scooter offer a strong frame, paired with a lightweight feel so that you can take this scooter to the skate park and have a smooth ride while commuting. The 110mm wheels offer a great amount of shock absorption so that the rider isn't rattled to the point of no return by the end of the ride. You will also find that this scooter is sturdy. It is not going to fall apart like other products might. Enjoy riding it as much as possible. It will be able to withstand all of the adventures that you take it on. Its sturdiness makes this scooter fairly limitless in all that it does. Go out and enjoy all the things that the outside has to offer. Number 2. Hedorah Kick Scooter. Hedorah scooters are among the most popular adult scooters for both adults and teens. Its adjustable height and dual suspension features are just some of many that attract buyers. That means that the overall height of the scooter can be adjusted, in this case from 35.1 to 39 inches, which will suit most riders. The handlebars are not only adjustable, but also textured for a better grip. When you're ready to store the scooter away for the day, they have built-in clips to reduce the space that the handlebars take up. Hedorah scooters are known to be very strong and long-lasting. The two 200mm wheels it features are also very durable. Its dual suspension system safeguards the scooter against bumpy rides. It offers you a comfortable ride regardless of whether you are on a suburban road or maneuvering through patchy terrain. The scooter is built with good quality aluminum and boasts of a sophisticated design. The foot rear braking system contributes to the safe riding experience by enabling the rider to bring the scooter to an immediate halt by pressing it. With a 5.3-inch deck, you'll be able to move around quite a bit without slipping off of the edge. Almost every single piece of this kick scooter is built to last through tough weather and other elements. They're also protected against rust and corrosion. Number 1. Razor A5 Lux Kick Scooter. This scooter seems to be a crowd pleaser. It offers many great attributes. It certainly isn't flawless, but it does have a lot to offer. You will find that you get a lot out of this scooter. It will be easy to enjoy all of its features. It definitely will get you where you are going. Razor is a company known for understanding people's needs and finding ways to meet them. The A5 Kick Scooter, for example, was designed for everyday commuting on rough, urban terrain. It comes with a low aluminum deck that is sure to give you ease and comfort while gallivanting around in town or on campus. The scooter features 200mm wheels that can easily support a person of up to 220 pounds. It also features a kickstand that comes quite handy. The lightweight aluminum frame is probably one of the best additions while being complemented with a foldable design for easy storage and transportation. The 17 handlebar which the A5 comes with makes it further convenient for one to use. It also results in facilitating smoother and a more comfortable steering experience for the rider. Scooters which feature narrow handlebars are susceptible to jerking and twitching. So the A5 scores pretty high as far as safety standards are concerned. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.